Welcome back. A breaking update coming in of Iran's largest Navy ship catching fire and sinking in the Gulf of Oman. Now, certainly the circumstances are still unclear of why this ship sank, and how actually the ship caught ablaze. But let me go across to Rohit now, who's joining us on the phone line. Pictures are now being circulated on social media of the ship on fire there. Rohit, can you give us more details till now? What more do we know? What was the cause behind the blaze?
Yes, Amita, the latest that we're getting to know is that this is Iran's largest Navy ship that has sank near the mouth of the Gulf of Oman after catching fire. Now, we do know that the entire crew has been able to safely disembark, and these are the reports coming in saying that the entire crew has been able to safely disembark and nobody has been injured. But yes, these visuals are from the Gulf of Oman. It is Iran's largest Navy ship. And at the moment, we are not sure of how exactly the fire broke out. But what we do know is the firefighting operations continued for a long time. However, they were unable to really douse the fire, and the ship eventually sank in the Gulf of Oman. These visuals on your screen are of that ship. It is the largest Navy ship, in fact, of Iran. And yes, this happened in the Gulf of Oman. And the firefighting operations actually went on for quite some time, but they were not really able to douse all the flames. And in fact, so they were not able to douse the flames. And this ship sank at the Gulf of Oman.
Well, any updates so far? Actually, what was the cause behind the blaze?
So at the moment, we're not sure of what exactly is the cause of the blaze. The statement that has been released by Iran semi-official has not yet given the cause.
All right, I believe Rohit, Niranjan Narayanaswamy is also with us on the phone line. Niranjan, if you can tell us what the Iranian officials are saying. Niranjan will be joining us in about a minute or so, but what we are getting to know that the Iranian officials have offered no cause for the fire aboard the Karga. It is coming after a series of mysterious explosions that began in 2019, targeting ships in the Gulf of Oman there. But however, we are still yet to ascertain what was the cause behind the blaze. Yes, Niranjan.
Well, this is the Iris Karg. The Karg is a modified OI-class fleet replenishment oiler of the Iranian Navy. It was named after the Karg Island. It was built in the UK and launched in 1977 and was delivered to Iran in 1984. And we've been told it's a major fire, but no details are available about the reason why this ship caught fire. And Karg was the largest naval vessel in Iran in terms of the tonnage. So this is a big setback to the Iranian Navy, though we are trying to find out if there are more details available about why and how it sank. Now, it is the largest warship of the Iranian Navy, and it sank in the Gulf of Oman under unclear circumstances. The Fars and Tasnim news agencies in Iran have said that efforts failed to save the ship. And, as far as the different agencies are concerned, reporting about how the entire crew was able to safely disembark, so no casualties have been reported. But it was on a training mission, is what we have told, in the Gulf of Oman. The blaze was reported around 2:25 a.m. local time, and the firefighters tried to contain it. The vessel sank near the Iranian port of Jusk, about 800 miles southeast of Tehran, in the Gulf of Oman. Now, we are being told that the firefighting efforts went on for nearly 20 hours before the ship went down. So these are some of the details that we're picking up. And we're also looking at some of the photos that are being circulated on Iranian social media and some of the videos that are available of sailors also wearing life jackets, evacuating the vessel as a fire, burned behind them. Now, this is, according to the Iranian state agencies, they're referring to the Karg as a training ship. Now, satellite photos also available with news agencies like the Associated Press showing that the Karg was off to the west of Jusk, and satellites from the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration that tracks fires from space also detecting a blaze of the Jusk that started just before the time of the fire being reported. Now, it serves as one of the few vessels in the Iranian Navy capable of providing replenishment at sea for all its ships It can also lift heavy cargo and serve as a launch point for helicopters. The warship was built in Britain and, like I said, and launched in 1977. Entered the Iranian Navy in 1984 after lengthy negotiations that followed Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution. And no cause is known. Iranian officials saying that no cause is known for the fire aboard the Karg. However, it comes after a series of mysterious explosions that began in 2019, targeting ships in the Gulf of Oman. The U.S. Navy had later accused Iran of targeting the ships with limpet mines, timed explosives, typically attached by divers to a vessel's hull. Now, Iran had earlier denied targeting the vessels, but we don't know whether there is an angle like that yet. But certainly raising some questions because it is because there is no reason that is known about why this vessel sank, and secondly, it is the largest vessel in the Iranian Navy. So let's see where the story goes. We're tracking the story very closely. Back to you for now.
Right, so this is the largest ship in the Iranian Navy catching fire and later sank in the Gulf of Oman under unclear circumstances. We'll continue to follow up on this story. Let's move